9 subtle flirting tips that work, even if you fear rejection. Ever had a crush but felt too scared to make a move? Maybe you overthink things. What if they don't feel the same way? What if you embarrass yourself? What if you get rejected? I get it, rejection is scary. But what if I told you that you don't have to take a huge risk to flirt? You don't have to put yourself out there completely. Instead, you can be subtle, almost effortless, and still make an impact. Today, I'll reveal 9 powerful yet subtle flirting tips. So natural and smooth that they won't even realize you're flirting until they're already hooked. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, the power of eye contact. Eye contact is the unspoken language of attraction. But here's the key. Don't overdo it. Instead of staring intensely, try the triangle technique. Look at one eye, then the other, then their lips. Do this slowly and naturally while they're talking. It creates a subconscious connection, making them feel drawn to you without even knowing why. And don't forget the classic move. Hold their gaze for just a second longer than usual, then look away with a slight smile. It's mysterious, flirty, and makes them wonder what's on your mind. Tip number 2, the soft, playful touch. Physical touch is one of the most powerful ways to flirt when done right. If you fear rejection, keep it light and casual. Examples: lightly brushing their arm when laughing, a quick touch on their shoulder when making a point, playfully nudging them if they tease you. The key? Make it brief and natural. If they lean into it, you know they're enjoying the moment too. Tip number 3, the subtle compliment game. Most people compliment in a predictable way. You look nice. That shirt is cool. But if you want to stand out, make it personal and unexpected. Instead of saying, you have nice eyes, try this. You have the kind of eyes that can make someone forget what they were saying. See the difference? It's subtle, yet it makes them feel special. And if you're feeling bold, add a playful twist. For example, if they say something smart, tease them with, "Oh wow, are you always this smooth, or am I just getting VIP treatment?" This makes your flirting feel effortless and fun rather than forced or obvious. Tip number 4, the secret weapon, your voice. Did you know that how you speak is just as important as what you say? 1. Slow down your speech. Talking too fast can make you seem nervous, but a slow, relaxed tone makes you sound confident. 2. Lower your voice slightly. A softer, slightly lower tone, especially at the end of a sentence, is naturally attractive. 3. Add playful pauses. If they ask you a question, pause for half a second before answering with a smile. It builds anticipation and keeps them hooked. Tip number 5, the accidental mirror effect. Mirroring is when you subtly copy someone's movements. And guess what? It's scientifically proven to create instant connection. If they take a sip of their drink, wait a few seconds and do the same. If they lean in slightly, mirror the movement naturally. This makes them feel comfortable and connected to you, without realizing why. But keep it natural, don't make it too obvious or it'll seem staged. Tip number 6, the playful secret move. Want to create an instant bond? Share a small playful secret. For example, if you're in a group, lean in slightly and whisper, "Okay, I think we're the only 2 normal people here." Then smile. It's lighthearted, it's fun, and it makes them feel like you already have an inside connection. Tip number 7, the classic. Look at their lips move. This one is powerful but requires confidence. When they're talking, glance at their lips for just 1 second before looking back at their eyes. It's so subtle they won't even notice it consciously, but it creates an almost magnetic tension. Pro tip: combine this with a soft smile and they'll be thinking about you long after the conversation ends. Tip number 8, the forget something trick. Want a guaranteed way to keep them thinking about you? Leave something small behind after spending time together, like a pen, a hair tie, or even a jacket. Why? Because it gives you a perfect excuse to see them again. They'll have to return it, and it keeps you in their mind longer. It's a small but clever way to create another opportunity for connection. Tip number 9, the mystery factor. Nothing is more attractive than a little mystery. Instead of oversharing, keep some details about yourself just out of reach. If they ask a personal question, tease them with, I don't reveal that secret this easily. It makes you intriguing and makes them want to keep chasing you. Flirting doesn't have to be scary or risky. The key is to keep it subtle, natural, and effortless. So tell me in the comments, which flirting tip do you think is the easiest to try? And which one are you excited to test out? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep it fun, keep it flirty, and most importantly, keep them guessing. Subscribe for more relationship secrets. Subscribe to my channel.